This is a video to show how to put an off-track slider for your WIPOUCH 60. This slider can sometimes come off when we put too much wipes in the WIPOUCH 60 or when we slide too quick and lose balance and the slider comes off, or sometimes when we stretch too big of the pouch. Now I will show you how to do it with the help of my lotion. I'm using lotion because this will help the slider to slide smoother on the track and reduce damage towards the track. We will apply this lotion to the track, so make sure you use a hand lotion or a baby lotion. Now we need to take a little bit of the lotion out. Let's see if I know how to make this lotion works. Okay, I see. I think it's this way. Yes, now a little bit of lotion to my finger, and then I will rub it off on my finger like this, and simply rub the top and bottom of both of the track. This side and now this side. As we can see now, we have a part where the lotion is, and I'm rubbing extra lotion to my hand. Now notice that there is a bottom part of the track and the top part of the track. This is also the same with the slider. The slider also have a top and a bottom part. We need to make sure that we aligned or position the slider on the same top and bottom of the track. Now let me see which one is which. Okay, now this side is the bottom and the top of my WIPOUCH, and I will start by sliding this part first on this side. Notice where the lotion is, so we will work on that area. Slide one side in to the track slowly but firmly. It's in now, and you can see it's freely sliding, which means it's good. And now we're working on the other side. Notice the lotion again, and put it in, slide it in, slow and firmly. I hope I can show you better in this video, and we'll just work it out. I'm almost there. Yeah, I think it works. Okay, it's in. Now we just slowly slide it back up and down, and just to test it out that it works. Yay! Now it works. Now my WIPOUCH 60 is ready to use again. Yay! I hope this demonstration video helps, and as I always like to say, enjoy using your WIPOUCH.